This is one of the most asked video in our store where you have asked us to break down each and every single video individually. And that's where I'm going to break down how this is the estimate of our shop. And I'm going to tell you how you should read it and how transparent we are. We take a lot of pride in gaining your trust through our transparency. I'm going to break down three types of products today. One is a antique Kundan jewelry. Another one is a diamond necklace. And the other one is our famous lightweight CZ necklace. And here I'll show you what all can be read on the estimation that is given. So for this particular necklace, the tag says that the gross weight is 61 grams and the net weight is 44.9 grams. And then over here, let me show you. The gross weight is 61.43 grams and the net weight is 44.9 grams. What does this mean? So this particular necklace has gold, only 44.9 grams, and the rest of it is stones, wax, or something or the other. And let me tell you what all are the stones. What you see here in the red, the green, and the white, everything comes under Kundan stone. And the next thing we see on the estimate is called the rate. The rate means the rate of the gold today. It is 13,655. Let me tell you this one thing. You might think that the gold rate is same in every shop. It is not. You can call every shop when you're in our shop and ask them what is the gold rate today. It may vary from 50 rupees to even 300-400 rupees. But we follow the rate which is followed by the lowest gold rate stores in all of India, and we do that only. So rate is very important factor and the rate should be separately mentioned. And then the next thing that is mentioned is the metal price. What does metal price mean? It basically means net weight into the gold rate for today. So metal price is basically the cost of your gold without adding any making charges or anything. And hallmark charges is mentioned in the bill as 45 rupees, as that is necessary for every jeweler to mention that they have hallmarked the product and the hallmark charges should be added. And here clearly we have written the wastage is at 14.5%. So for this kind of jewelry, all the Kundan jewelry in our store, the wastage is at 14.5%, and calculating the 14.5% of the 44 grams, the value comes up to 88,953, and that is the value that has been written clearly. And the metal price is 6,13,100. And then comes the breakup of the Kundan stone wax and the Kundan pieces completely. So over here, the Kundan stones is around 17.65 carats, which is priced at 800 rupees per carat. So this just the stone cost in this is 14,120 rupees. And wax is around 13 grams in this particular necklace in all these battus that you're seeing. And wax has a zero price. So the 13 grams is multiplied by 0, which equals to 0. And Kundan pieces. This is something most of everyone gets confused. So what is Kundan pieces? So every piece requires a karigari and a pure gold fitting on top of it. So the karigari of only Kundan pieces is charged in per piece. When you're fitting a diamond or a CZ or anything, there is no per piece fitting price. So why is there for Kundan? Because that is the workmanship, that is the making. We are paying for every piece of Kundan that is being fit. So as per the number of pieces, it is charged, and the total Kundan fitting price is around 43,340, which is why a Kundan jewelry is said to be a premium, because apart from your making, you also pay for the fitting price, and all these things are separately mentioned in our estimate every time, and this will be mentioned even in your bill. So you will always know what exactly are you paying for. If I want to charge you more, I need to show it to you, and that's when you take a judgment. I cannot betray your trust just by showing that, oh ma'am, you're not paying any more, the wastage is very less, and just had some hidden charges. In our shop, we know that a Kundan jewelry is a handmade one and everything is fit by hand, and which is why the making and the Kundan prices are more always, because it is a completely handcrafted piece. Now next, let me show you and come to the lightweight jewelry set that we have in CZs. As you can see, this is a big looking necklace, completely made in flat CZs and everything. If we are seeing the estimate of this one, the purity first comes, it says the purity is 22 carat, and the barcode name which is there, it says set 4709. If the item is available, you can go on my website and you'll get this picture and this exact weight and the exact same estimate in my store, and on the website it will be the exact same estimate. The gross weight of this particular piece is 100.97 grams. The net weight is 44.51 grams, and the gold rate today is 13,655. As we saw in the previous necklace, it will be the same as both are 22 carat. The metal price is 6,07,784. Hallmark charges as it's one piece, it's 45 rupees again. And the making, as it is CZ studded, the making is flat at 12.5% wastage. We have become the fixed price store in which we have the wastage slabs where the lowest starts from around 8% for plain gold, and the highest in the store currently for 22 carat is 14.5% wastage. So all the Kundan Nakshi jewelry will be maximum at around 14.5% wastage, and the making of 12.5% amounts to around 76,000 rupees. The CZ, as you can see, there is so many stones over here. The CZ and the color stones all together is 74.95 carat, and that the rate is around 500 rupees per carat. The cost comes around 37,000, and the beads carat are mentioned, and the beads cost completely is 16,000 rupees. The beads and the small pearls that you're seeing above this also, they are the beads. And even here, the second line has beads and pearls, and even the last line, you can see the small Swarovski pearls and the green burial beads. And the dory's weight, as you can see, the dory is attached. It is not removable. Dory is 6.82 grams, and the price is clearly mentioned at 0 rupees. So 6.82 into 0 is 0. And you can see the GST amount, and the total price that you have to pay is 7,59,450 for this particular set. And it is very easily readable. Every small detail is mentioned in the breakup. Let me come to a diamond set. This is a natural diamond set where this particular thing is made in purity of 18 carat. So in diamonds, we have purities of 18 carat and even 14 carat. So it's very important. On the bill, it will be mentioned what purity it is, and even on the tag, it will be mentioned. This gross weight is around 16.07 grams, and the net weight is 15.404. The metal rate for 18 carat is 11,173. As you're mentioning till now, earlier we saw 22 carat rate as 13,000. As it went to 18 carat, the rate should go down in the same way, and you can calculate this and check whether the 24, 22 and 18 is proportionally matching each other or not, because many jewelers do a bit of naughty business there, and that should be very clear. And the metal price is nothing but net weight into the rate, which is around 1,72,000 on this one. And there is the hallmarking charges that is mentioned over here. And the making of this necklaces, because they are in lightweight diamond, is 2,000 rupees per gram. This will have a per gram making, not a wastage. And the diamond is 1.38 carat in this necklace, and the cost of the entire diamond amount is around 1,36,000. And you can see these stones, the three green stones over here, that is 1.97 carat at 800 rupees per carat, which is 1,576. So the entire necklace cost including GST is 3,50,000, and the GST is separately mentioned as 10,214. So everything is clearly mentioned separately, no matter the what. And when you're buying a diamond item, you will have the certificate number behind the necklace also, and you'll be getting the diamond certificate also with this item. So whenever you're buying a diamond item, please do ask for a certificate and do not buy any item without a diamond certificate. And these were the three different varieties in which I took you in the detailed breakup. And if you like to see more of any particular thing, because we had seen something with wax, something with diamonds, something with a lot of stones, next time if you want a plain gold or any other doubt we have, this channel is the space for our customers where we're going to share and clear your doubts and how we operate. So when you visit, your journey is smooth and simple with our brand. Thank you for watching this. Like and subscribe it and share this with one of your friends who would like to see this.